Hello children, how all of you are doing? I hope all of you are doing very well. So, before starting today's new chapter, let me ask you something. Okay, I would like to know, do you know which day was yesterday? So, yesterday was the Doctor's Day. I hope you all have received the message. So, we should give a huge acknowledgement and a huge gratitude to all the doctors, right, throughout the world who are helping us to fight this pandemic. So, why am I talking about doctor? Because our today's topic is about a doctor. And what was his name? His name was Dr. Dolittle. So, yes, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 4, the story of Dr. Dolittle. Okay, the original title of the story is the story of Dr. Dolittle, being the history of his peculiar life at home and astonishing adventures in foreign parts. Okay, so who wrote this story? Hugh Lofting. Okay, and it is a children's novel. Alright, so before starting the story, let me give you a small gist. Let me give you a small summary of the overall story. So, what was the full name of this doctor? Dr. John Dolittle, and he was a very popular doctor. He was an MD, means very proper or efficient doctor. Okay, who used to live with his sister Sarah in a small town. He had great fascination for various animals. Okay, means he is very much fond of different kinds of animals, and he used to keep also many pets in his home. But his love for animals ruined him financially. Means he started earning less. Okay, human patients avoid coming to see him because of these animals. But one day a cat's meat man suggested him to give up being a human doctor and told him to become an animals doctor. Okay, this proposal was further supported by his parrot, whose name was Polynesia. Okay, and so he got very excited to learn birds language. Then he learned animals languages and gave up being a people's doctor. Okay, so let us start the text. Chapter 4, the story of Dr. Dolittle. Read this story to find out how Dr. Dolittle, a people's doctor, became the famous doctor of animals. Let us read. Once upon a time, many years ago, when our grandfathers were little children, there was a doctor, and his name was Dolittle, John Dolittle, MD. MD means that he was a proper doctor and knew a whole lot. So, what the author is telling, rather author or narrator is telling, that when their grandfathers were children, there was a doctor named John Dolittle who was a MD, and he was a very famous and proper doctor. He lived in a little town called Puddleby on the Marsh. All the folks, young and old, knew him well by sight, and whenever he walked down the street, his hat, everyone would say, "There goes the doctor. He is a clever man." And the dogs and children would all run up and follow behind him. And even the crows that lived in the church tower would caw and nod their heads. So, he used to live in a very small town named Puddleby on the Marsh, and everyone could recognize him by sight only, means by seeing only everyone can recognize that he was Dr. Dolittle. Okay, and he used to follow by dogs, children. Okay, the house he lived in on the edge of the town was quite small, but his garden was very large, and he had a wide lawn, a stone sits, and weeping willows hanging over. His sister Sarah Dolittle was the housekeeper for him, but the doctor looked after the garden himself. So, though his house was small, but there was a garden, okay, and it was very large. Okay, weeping willow is a kind of tree. Okay, his sister used to look after the house for him, and but the doctor used to look after the garden himself. He was very fond of animals and kept many kinds of pets. Besides the goldfish in the pond at the bottom of his garden, he had rabbits in the pantry. Pantry means a small room used for storing food. White mice in his piano, a squirrel in the linen closet, and a hedgehog. Hedgehog means a small brown animal with stiff part. In the cellar. Cellar means an underground room. He had a cow with a calf too, and an old lame horse. Lame horse means who cannot trot properly, okay, who cannot gallop or run properly, okay. 25 years of age. So the horse was of 25 years, okay. Chickens and pigeons and 2 lambs and many other animals. But his favorite pets were Dab Dab, the duck, Jip, the dog, Polynesia, the parrot, and the owl, Tutu. So, which are the animals that this doctor used to domesticate? So, first one goldfish, then a rabbit, white mice, squirrel, hedgehog, cow with a calf. Calf means baby cow. Horse, chickens, pigeons, 2 lambs, and many other animals including duck, dog, parrot, and owl too. Okay, so today till this much. In our next class we will continue with the rest portion of the story. So I hope you have understood till this much how much has been taught. So go through the text, read it properly. I've given you some meanings as well as with some opposites. Okay, go through it. Okay, thank you.